Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Lipink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that there is another workforce cut at CoinBase, this time 20%. So bear market times are continue. Then we have here Jerome Powell, who said yesterday that Fed might have to make unpopular decisions to stabilize prices. And we have here the judge, which allows Binance US to bid to buy Voyager assets. And this is a hope for Voyager customers. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh news about crypto and blockchains. So if you would like to stay up to date, simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel. From Monday to Sunday, you're getting a couple of short videos here, and also from Monday to Friday, the longer videos just like this one. So whatever's happening on the market, I'm going to talk about this if it is important. Okay. Now, let's check out the prices and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Well, we can see that Bitcoin is basically up 1% in the last 24 hours, continue to going up, $17,434 at the moment, while Ethereum 0.5% up, $1,335. When we're looking at here the top gainers, we can see that Mina is up 13%, Wu Network is up 5%, and XRP is 3.8% up. When we're looking at the top losers, then obviously after this tremendous uptrend, especially the times you're living right now in, Gala is going down now 5%, but it gained 116% in 7 days. Aptos down 5%, Lido DAO down 6%, but all these are the ones which went up quite well recently. So this is like a normal correction. When we're looking at here the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we could see now this candle, yesterday's candle, break out and closing above this trend line. So we will see now that do we continue to this next level, or this could be of course another resistance line here about, we can actually put it here where we are right now, or we will turn back. But well, it closed above it, so this could be maybe a good sign. But don't forget the 12th of January, so Thursday, it's a very important one. So we will see tomorrow what the CPI data will be, and if this looks much better than they hoped or something like this, that can boost the market further. Just a couple of interesting things. If you're looking at this data, you can see that basically we are living in the longest major correction from all-time high when we're looking at Bitcoin. And right now we are at this 425th or 26th day, because this was 10th of January and today is the 11th. And by the way, when we're looking at what was the longest before this, this was between 2013 and 14, 410 days. And the third longest right now between 2017 and 2018. So truly, if you are still here, you are a tough person, because this is right now the longest period when we're looking at the major correction from all-time high, and it's not finished yet. We don't know when, so this can actually continue. It's not the biggest fall, as we have witnessed here bigger numbers. If you look at this, this is like back here 94% and you know some others, but now mine is 77% to be exact. Right, and another interesting thing that this post was the very first post about Bitcoin on Twitter, and it was posted by Hal Finney back in 2009 on the 10th of January. So yesterday was the 14th year anniversary of this post. You know, many people believe that Hal Finney could be also Satoshi Nakamoto. Unfortunately passed away back in 2014. He was quite ill for a couple of years, but actually he received the very first Bitcoin transaction from Satoshi Nakamoto back in January 2009. So he was truly an important figure at the Bitcoin community back then. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that Coinbase cuts another 20% of its workforce. It looks like that bear market times are not in favor for many crypto companies, because we can see now Coinbase had to make another decision to cut its workforce, and this time we're talking about 20%. This 20%, it's about 950 people. Back in end of September, they had 4,700 employees, and back in June last year, they cut already 18% of its workforce. So this is another major cut, another 20%. Here you can read it in this article that after looking at various stress tests for Coinbase annual revenue, Armstrong said, the CEO, it became clear that we would need to reduce expenses to increase our chance of doing well in every scenario, and there was no way to do so without reducing headcount. The company will also be shutting down several projects with a lower probability of success. So they had to do this because they are in the survival mode. Obviously, when another bull market will start, they began hiring as usual, but now they had to cut again, which is definitely not good news for Coinbase. But now the most important thing is to survive this difficult period, and then they obviously can continue. Okay, then yesterday we had Jerome Powell, who said a couple of things. Let's talk about that as well. So when Jerome Powell is talking, then many people are listening. His words are quite important nowadays, and not just in crypto. Anyway, so yesterday he made a speech, and in that speech, he basically said that Fed might have to make unpopular decisions to stabilize prices. So here we can read that price stability is the bedrock of the healthy economy and provides the public with immeasurable benefit over time. But restoring price stability when inflation is high can require measures that are not popular in short term, as we raise interest rates to slow the economy. So this is what he was saying, and also mentioned several times that political factors have not weighed on his actions. We still don't know what the result, obviously, the next FOMC meeting will be, which will be published. The press conference will be on the 1st of February. The meeting will be held on the 31st of January and 1st of February. But, now the important thing is the CPI data, what we're looking at tomorrow, coming out. And, we can see that for them, the most important thing is bring down inflation, even if that hurts the economy short term, because they're thinking in long term. So these are the new words from Jerome Powell. Okay, and now the third topic I would like to mention is that actually the judge allows Binance US now to bid to buy Voyager assets. If you remember, FTX was the one which bid for Voyager assets, but then they filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So then Binance stepped up, but the proposed deal received oppositions from Securities and Exchange Commission, state regulators, the U.S. Trustee Office and private parties. The Committee on Foreign Investment in the U.S. also said it would review deals made by the lender, which filed for bankruptcy last year. The judge said that committee's issues are really non-issues for today. During the hearing, Kirkland and Ellis partner Christine Ockig, also speaking on behalf of Voyager, said lawyers had resolved for the purpose of today objections made by the SEC and the state of New Jersey. The debtors submit that we have performed due diligence on Binance US, and Binance US financials shows that it has ample cash on hand to pay the debtors up to $35 million in cash, the maximum amount that may due they said. So bottom line is that there's a hope for Voyager customers that they might can get their money back if Binance can buy Voyager assets. And actually, the deal, which will be subjected for another confirmation hearing in March, also needs the approval from majority of Voyager creditors. But I think pretty much just the only chance they have right now after FTX, I don't step down, but I wasn't able to do it. And now they have Binance said there are really not too many companies out there they can do it. So, okay, now they could move forward. Even SEC and others had problem with it. So the judge gave basically a green light. So this could be definitely hope for Voyager customers. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. You get a couple of shorts every day and also from Monday to Friday, this longer videos. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date in this bear market and in the future in the bull market, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe button, bell button, and all, and hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.